just landed in London. London to Great Britain. Jumanji, the next level.
It was good, right?
Yeah. Like I listening to my voice.
I just had to hear it.
It's like I'm listening to my
I just had
voice.
to hear it. Once I hear it.
Hi, Sinead.
Hey, Sinead.
How are you?
She's Irish.
Watching the Queen's speech.
Yes. Now you may read the card.
Does she drink tea?
Yes.
I want to tell you Merry Christmas and to drink a lot of tea.
That's what he thinks we sound like.
I do not. Get out of my face, Queen. Get me some tea
Is he angry snowman?
with some nutty butter.
So
That's good. That's
yeah,
good.
it's good, right? Okay.
A lot of people yell out, there's Kevin Hart.
Again, aggressive.
Yeah.
Kevin Hart.
Very so expressive.
Kevin Hart. Would you like some tea?
Do you even have any kids?
It's quite good.
What happened?
Ooh,
What
me?
just happened here?
Ah, the Rock.
Hey, there's the Rock in Kevin Hart.
That's an angry British guy who's just angry.
Oh no, is that the Rock in Kevin Hart?
The Rock was shit. That's good, see? The Rock was shit.
Alright, excuse me. Does anyone know where the Queen lives? I'm trying to get some nutty butter and tea.
Nutty what?
Nutty butter.
Nutty butter.
Nutty butter and tea.
Peanut butter and tea. Peanut butter and tea. That's
With-
what
That's what he's asking
with
for,
the
yeah.
Queen. With the Queen. Huh?
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. Ooh.
Salt and pepper, push it.
What is it?
Salt and pepper, push it.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby, baby.
Okay.
Baby. Get up on this! Yo, you really got me going. You got me sold. I don't know what I'm doing. Get up on this!
Yeah.
Salt, pepper, push it. It's my
That
life.
one.
Why is push it your life? I don't understand.
Because I like to push it.
Push what? I don't.
It?
What is it? I don't.
If you got to think about it, then you ain't pushing.
Wow.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
By the time you push it right.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yo!
Wow.
You really got me going. You got me sold. I don't know what I'm doing. Get up on this!
Okay.
And what about you?
God, I don't know. I can't follow that.
Well, after this. it's
After this,
possible.
oh my gosh. I would say, do you want to do something that rhymes with truck? That was one of my.
What?
What?
I'm not really good with this song.
That's some
but
song. I
appreciate
sing
it.
that to
Thank
my
you.
wife.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to do something that rhymes with truck?
Wait, what are you? What are you
That's
talking
the-
about?
No.
I know what you're doing.
Do you want to sit on something that rhymes with stick? No, it's to my wife.
Can I? That's the last question.
Oh God. Yes. I think you're gonna have to.
Yeah, go ahead.
It kind of tugged at me. It kind of messed with my emotions a little bit. I've never seen him with another little man before. You know, I've always been on
I
the
got a
little
thing
guy.
for little men,
Yeah.
but there's only one.
Yeah.
Ken.
Yeah,
Right?
but it's
For
still-
me, there's only
still-
one. You know.
It's still.
It's like a man and a woman, a husband and a wife. There's only one wife.
Go see Jumanji.
Go see Jumanji.
Yeah, what'd you say?
I
Go see
good
good
Jumanji.
Jumanji.
It's
Go see good Jumanji. What is that? Fuck off.
When you just do the first part of the hablamos español.
Well,
yes.
first of all,
Están listos para Jumanji.
Sayonara. Hey. Really grande, sexy. Panther.
La amistad.
Muy cara. Poquito.
No.
Say cliente. Mantel. Okay. I'm really big on embracing the culture.
No, he's got a fear about
Preach.
animals.
It's not a fit. I have respect for animals.
He does.
Here we go. I don't give a shit what it is, man. Y'all know I don't like shit like this.
It'll come back.
Look, watch it go in my eye. Watch something bad happen.
I'm like, Kevin, it's just a poodle.
I don't know that poodle. And I don't know what that poodle's thinking right now. This could be a bad day for that poodle.
They got stripes. Y'all can sit here and get fucking fit if you want to. This shit's out.
Oh, shit! We done. Look at that bitch. That shit got blue legs. Oh my God, it's a fucking grass bat. Did you see it? He's Mr. Animal Guy. He always wants to be the strong guy.
No, I mean,
Give it to
someone
me.
with the
Hey,
animals.
what is that? Here, go.
What is that? What's that?
Bring it over there. Let me see it. I got it.
You know what I'm saying?
It's okay. Come on, come here.
What the fuck?
Come here.
Come on, man. Come on. See what I'm saying?
Dwayne, you act like you this big animal like expert. You keep on. You keep believing that you this guy. I can't wait till you get fucking big. I can't wait until you get big. He helped said give him a good dose of poison in his ass right now.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's gonna be crazy.
What was the name of the title? What is?
Don't fuck this up.
Don't fuck this up. I love that. I can't wait to see it. When is it?
December 27th.
I'm gonna be busy. When what is there a rerun? How does that work?
It's Netflix.
Oh no,
But you can just
no. What?
you can just watch it.
I have Netflix, but
Yeah.
there's all. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
When is it? December 22nd.
Yeah, 27th.
I can't make that. 27th?
Yes.
I can't make that either.
Both Danny DeVito and Danny Glover have such distinct personalities. How did you approach playing them without being characters?
Kevin came to set. He was so method in his acting. He came to set. He scratches balls.
Yeah.
Like then he came to set one of them completely naked.
Yeah, remember I had the
Took off
gown
his
with
pants.
nothing.
Nothing on.
This is what you do
I was like,
when
Kevin,
you're
no. He's naked.
Yeah.
Put clothes on.
Back out.
Yes.
Saying out, ass, everything. It's just better for me.
Yes.
The older you get, you forget.
Yeah.
So I was making it seem like I was forgetting, but I wasn't.
It was
I aware.
really deep method acting.
Thank God it came out right because it could have been a disaster. I could have fucked this movie up. But I didn't. It ended up being okay.
There's one comedy special I always watch, and it was always be delirious with
No, that's
Eddie
not.
Murphy. What?
That's not me.
That is you.
No.
Raw.
That's Eddie Murphy.
Bigger and Blacker was
No,
my
that's
favorite.
Chris Rock, man.
When you think of the greatest comedians of all time,
Yeah.
even stand-up comedians, you have Eddie,
Yeah.
Chris Rock,
I didn't expect
who,
to.
Robin Williams,
great.
Ellen
great.
Gallagher. Yes.
That's a good one.
I definitely don't.
And then that's it.
Really, that's it. When you think of comedic rock stars, that's kind of
You
it.
guys want bringing it over? Y'all want bringing it back?
I don't know who.
Y'all didn't set that up to bring it back.
David Chappelle. right?
No,
Chappelle, that's our boy.
Yeah, of course,
that
but-
guy.
Yeah, but I mean,
Wonderful.
the thing, you guys aren't.
After what happened with you recently, how has your life perspective changed? Like, has priorities changed at all?
Of course.
Like, in the sense of, like, do you want to do less work and more family?
The answer is so spot on what you're saying. It's being present to the ones around you that matter most. You do kind of take it for granted. Things don't have to be the way they are. That they can change like that.
When I heard the news, my heart stopped, lost my breath. His situation could have gone another way. Really proud of not only his ability to overcome, but also, again, I mean, we're here, we're in Cabo, we made Jumanji, man. Life is good.
Can you kind of say what you admire most about the other?
Serious, no jokes.
It's serious.
No jokes.
Very
We're
serious,
getting
no
serious
jokes.
now.
I can say I'm better because of this relationship, and I've evolved because of the example that you've been. That would be my message to the big fella.
Thank you for that, by the way. I would say honestly from my heart is that this is a relationship that I never expected, I never anticipated. It's a gift. And I too, by the way, am better for having you in my life, and I truly mean that.
My guy.
And I love you.
My guy. Love you. You know?
And last question, what will be your favorite memory you will take away from making watching the next
When we wrapped, because it was the last day I was ever to see Cal.
Okay.
That was my favorite memory.
That's what you just did is throw every nice thing we did in the garbage.
But I meant the. No, I didn't throw it in the garbage.
You threw it in the trash.
She was asking a question. I just said I was happy that day because I knew it was the last day I was going to see you, because I knew that I was going to see you later.